Hello viewers, I am Maithili. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths sets exercise 1.5 third sum over here. Let's see the question. Taking the set of natural numbers as the universal set. So what is the universal set here? It is the set of natural numbers. Write down the complement of the following set. So the given universal set is all the natural numbers. That means it starts with 1 and ends with infinitive. So we need to find the complements of the given sets. The first one is x such that x is an even natural number. So in a natural number, if we take all the even natural number, the rest will be the complement set. So what is the rest? Taking the even natural number from a natural number, the balance will be the odd natural number, the opposite of this. So we can write the complement set to be x such that x is an odd natural number. So think that removing this, what will be the rest? So now this in the second one, x such that x is an odd natural number. So taking out the odd natural number from a natural number, the rest will be the even natural number. Opposite of this is this. In this sum they have asked this, so we need to write the x such that x is an even natural number. Now we'll move on to the third one, x such that x is a positive multiple of 3. So removing all the multiple of 3, the numbers will be 1, 3, 4, 5. So think that the opposite of this, multiple of 3, for a multiple of 3, the opposite will be not a multiple of 3. So the complement set will be x such that positive not a multiple of 3. So removing all the multiple of 3, the numbers, the rest will be not a multiple of 3. So the complement will be not a multiple of 3. We'll move on to the fourth one, x such that x is a prime number. So they have asked removing the prime number, what will be the rest? The rest will be the composite number, but there will be also 1 will be there in it, because 1 is neither a prime nor a composite number. If we write to be a composite number, 1 will not include in a composite number. So we need to write like x such that x is a positive composite number, because it is a natural number. So positive composite number. To include, we need to write or x is equal to 1. So a combination of these two elements, we need to write x such that x is a positive composite number, or x is equal to 1 means we are including 1 to the composite number. We'll move on to the fifth one, x such that x is a natural number divisible by 3 and 5. So we can say that x such that removing this divisible by 3 and 5, we can write it to be not divisible by 3 and 5. So x such that x is a natural number not divisible by 3 or 5. So it is not divisible by 3 and 5. So as divisible by 3 and 5, the complement will be not divisible by 3 and 5. Now we'll move on to the next one, x such that x is a perfect square. For a perfect square, the complement will be not a perfect square. So x such that x is not a perfect square. Now we'll move on to the seventh one. They have asked for x such that x is a perfect cube. So the complement will be, as you know, it will be not a perfect cube. So x such that x is not a perfect cube. Here in the last sum 8, they have given that x such that x plus 5 equal to 8. We don't know the value of x. They have given one equation. We need to solve it. If x plus 5 equal to 8, what will be your x? X will be, if it goes to the side, it come as minus. So 8 minus 5, that is nothing but 3. So x will be equal to 3. So rest here the set is 3. So leaving the set, leaving the number 3, we need to write the remaining elements of natural numbers. So we can write in this way, x such that x belongs to natural number and x is not equal to 3, because leaving this number we need to write the rest of the natural numbers. So I am writing as x such that x belongs to natural numbers. So it includes all the natural numbers, but x is not equal to 3. So leaving 3, the rest of the natural number will be your x. This is the complement of this number. Now we'll move on to the ninth one. They have given that x such that 2x plus 5 equal to 9. We need to find the x value because they have given in an equation. So 2x plus 5 equal to 9. If we solve, it's 2x is equal to 9 minus 5. This is nothing but 4. If I bring this number to here, it is in multiply, so it comes as a divide. So x will be equal to 2. So the given set is 2. We need to find the number other than 2 in a natural number. So we can write x such that x belongs to n and x is not equal to 2. So if it belongs to n, it will include all the natural numbers, but 2 should not be included because 2 is the set over here. So it is x is not equal to 2. We'll move on to the last sum, the 10th one. X such that x is greater than or equal to 7. So the numbers greater than or equal to 7 are 8, 9, 10 and goes on. Even 7 is included because it is in equal to. So 7, 8, 9, 10 and goes on till infinitive. The rest of the number other than this are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So this is the complement of the given set. That's all with the sum. In the 11th sum, they have given x such that x belongs to natural number and 2x plus 1 is greater than 10. So we need to find the value of x. If I take 2x plus 1 is greater than 10, I am going to bring 1 to that side. So 2x is greater than, if 1 goes to that side, it becomes minus 1 and the answer will be 9. So x is greater than 9 by 2. If I bring 2 to this side, it comes as divide. So x is greater than 9 by 2. So I need to write the rest of the number which is greater than 9 by 2. As it is a natural number, I can't take a fraction. So if I divide, the number will be 4s are 8, 4 point something. So the number should be greater than 4.5, that is from 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 will be your elements of this set. So complement of this set will be x such that x belongs to n and x will be less than or equal to 9 by 2. As it is greater than 9 by 2, we can write this to be less than or equal to 9 by 2. That will be easy for you to write. Otherwise, you can also write this to be, you can also write this to be in a roster form. You can write this to be 1, 2, 3 and 4. So these are the answer. You can either write in set builder form or in roster form. That's all with the sum. Thank you.